Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making egg and plantain frittata. That is egg and plantain omelette. To make this, I'll be using these two fresh tomatoes, onions and peppers. I'll go ahead now and dice all of them. I'm done cutting and dicing them. I'll go ahead now and fry them. Into my pot, I'll add little oil, then add the onions, fry for a bit before adding some spices. After frying the onions, curry and ginger powder for a bit, I'll then add the diced tomatoes and some of the peppers and continue to fry. Add some seasoning powder, about half a teaspoon of it. I will also be adding some mackerel fish. You can use chicken or sausages. You can also fry without using any of them. I have a previous video of this egg frittata and there I used the sausages, but today I'm using fish. In fact, I'm using geisha. After testing it, the pepper in the sauce is not enough, so I'm adding this green chili pepper for more spice. I'm done frying the sauce. I'll take it down, allow it to cool while we go to the next step. Here I have two ripe plantains which I'll be using for this. I'll also go ahead now and peel and cut the plantains. I'll be cutting this in a roundish shape. Keep watching. Please, while watching, if you have not clicked on the like button, help me do that now. Thank you. And also at the end of this video, help me share it out to your friends and families so that I can get more views. You know what more views means. Thank you for your love and support. And if today is your first time of coming here, you are highly welcomed. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Henrietta Onyemere and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And to my old subscribers, you know I love you all. Thank you for your continuous support. So after cutting the plantain, we'll go ahead now and fry them. We are done frying the plantain, so we set that aside and move to the eggs. Here I have 6 eggs. I'm making this for 4 people. Add a little salt and whisk the eggs. I will now add the fried onions, pepper and tomatoes to the eggs and mix thoroughly. Now that everything is ready, let us make our frittata. Into a frying pan, I add a little oil and then pour in the egg mixture. And then arrange the fried plantains on the mixture. After that, I'll then top it with some bell peppers and the onions. I have red and the green bell peppers and the onions, which I diced in different shapes. I'll then cover and cook in a very low heat to avoid burning. You can equally bake this in the oven. After cooking on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, here we have our egg and the plantain frittata. You can also call this egg and plantain pizza or omelette. Cut and serve with any drink or tea of your choice. You can also enjoy it with oats. This is perfect for breakfast. It came out so beautiful and delicious also. It was so yummy. Everybody enjoyed it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. I love you all. Bye bye.